Hey, crypto family, hope y'all are doing good today. So I have an exciting video about a protocol that hasn't come out yet, but is in the works, and one that I am very excited about this year, and one I think will take the crypto world by storm. It's called Subspace Network. Now, for those who haven't heard of Subspace Network, they're a layer 0 for Web3. So you can see on their website, Subspace is an open, scalable platform for both storage and compute that is fully interoperable with any layer 1. Now, as you know, Web3 is the big buzzword for this year, and I believe we'll see a lot more of it from a lot of other protocols, but Subspace is actually doing some unique stuff. So I'm going to talk about it and why I am super excited for this project and why I think it will go very, very far upon release. Now, before starting this video, I do want to have full disclosure. I am an ambassador for Subspace, but I want to make it known I'm not just an ambassador for any protocol. I really researched them. I liked what they were doing. I liked their vision, their work ethic, and kind of how they really focused on doing the research and development of the protocol and not just, trying to create another pump and dump. So I really like what they're doing, and they're actually taking their time with this. So that's why I became an ambassador. But definitely stay tuned. There's gonna be a good video. I'm gonna go over some quick things, kind of the surface level of what Subspace Network is, and then I'll make some more videos after this, kind of delving deeper into it and why I am so excited on it. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, if you're not following Subspace, you need to be following their Twitter. It's at Network Subspace. They have a little over 1,000 followers right now, but they have gotten some very, very big shout outs recently. On December 2nd, actually, there was an article published on Parity Tech. So they have over 58,000 followers, and they posted a blog on Subspace Network's Kusama relayer. Okay. Now, basically, what this article was, it says Subspace archiving Kusama with on finality. So as you know, Kusama works with the Polkadot ecosystem, and actually Polkadot ended up retweeting this article. And for those who know Polkadot, I mean, they're a huge, DOT. For those who know the DOT coin, it's, one of the top 30 coins. They have over 1 million followers. So for them to retweet an article about Subspace, that kind of got the ball rolling with, as far as, the audience and people seeing Subspace and kind of bringing it to the limelight there. But really quick, just going over some quick highlights of this article. It says Subspace Labs has completed its first milestone as part of the Substrate Builders program, bringing us one step closer to a permanent decentralized storage solution for Polkadot and Kusama. Okay, and which is insane, because for them to be able to basically store all of this data on the chain is insane, and one that I think is going to bring a lot of players over to the Subspace network. So it goes into a lot of specifics on here. One of the biggest things is I want to talk about, it says, as part of this milestone, Subspace has launched the Kusama Relayer, a decentralized storage application that archives the entire history of the Kusama relay chain and all parachains on the Ares test network. So again, Subspace has done some big things so far, and they've got the attention of a lot of big players. So if you want to check this article out, again, they do have it pinned in their Twitter. You can see it's right there. So go ahead and click that. I'll also have it pinned in the comments and the description as well. But basically going over to their website now, one of the biggest things I want to focus on is Subspace is a community built protocol. Okay, they really focus on building a strong community and making sure that when they do release, the farmers are the ones controlling the supply. Okay, this is going to keep away a lot of those leeches, a lot of those people looking for a quick pump and dump. The farmers are basically going to create the strong foundation at the start so that Subspace is viable long term, and it creates that value proposition for continued growth. Okay, that's the biggest thing about Subspace. And also, if you go on their Twitter, they do have a Discord, and you can see here on their Discord, they have a lot of engagement on there. Again, 574 people, so still pretty small. So that's why we're still very early on this. But you can see they have a lot of different channels. They have an engineering chat, they have protocol chats, they even have a testnet chat. So again, their testnet's coming out soon, so definitely stay up to date with that. But yeah, they're very, very helpful. You can see a lot of the staff is always eager to help, always eager to answer questions. So definitely join their Discord. It's very, very cool, and a lot of nice people in there. But yeah, basically Subspace is really focusing on that community-driven aspect, like I said. And then again, giving power to the farmers for controlling the supply. So again, you get that strong, stable foundation. But real quick, again, going over some surface level stuff for this video. says Subspace is the first protocol to fully resolve the blockchain trilemma without making compromises. Okay, so as you know, there's other storage protocols, and don't necessarily name them, but I'm sure you've known them, you've heard of them. They're in the top 100, and they really only focus on kind of one aspect of the whole trilemma in a sense. So you can see three things here: secure and sustainable consensus, fully decentralized, and composite scaling. Okay, so Subspace aims to really focus on all of these. And if you scroll down here, it's based on years of original research and development. So you can see they have a lot of Web3 Foundation grants programs, Substrate builders programs. Keep scrolling down, build with the best technology. So again, WebAssembly, they use Rust. Rust is definitely an up-and-coming coding language, one that is definitely taking the world by storm. Parity Substrate and libp2p. So again, they have a lot of good technology that they're using. And then again, it talks about the blockchain trilemma: security, scalability, and decentralization. Basically says that the blockchain trilemma was a term coined by Vitalik Buterin, so the creator of Ethereum, to describe the challenges of creating a secure, scalable, and decentralized blockchain. He argues that blockchain can only be achieved 2 out of the 3 features in practice. Well, Subspace is actually aiming to beat this, which is insane to think about because everyone always looks up to Vitalik, right? He's a super smart guy. Subspace is trying to raise the stakes here and really trying to hit that problem head on, okay? So again, they really focus on that proof of archival storage. And if you continue to scroll down here, one of the big things is actually the farmer's dilemma. So it says farmers may choose between using their storage to either retain the chain, state, and history, or B, maximize their plot size and return on investment. And actually, Subspace is solving this farmer's dilemma, and they're actually, really, if you look at this, they are very, very intelligent with their solutions here. Again, I'm not going to go into the details in this video. I just want to give you a surface level of why I'm so excited for this protocol when they release. And again, they are really solving all of those 3 problems essentially. And one of the biggest things as well I want to talk about is Subspace is not just a storage platform, okay? They also have computation as well. So if you look on their website, it says Subspace is an open scalable platform for both storage and compute. So as you know, storage on the Ethereum network is expensive, right? No one wants to do that. Well, on Subspace, you can store on Subspace, which is a low cost, while also providing Ethereum computations. So the executors on those computations will be cheaper, okay? So that's something that Subspace is really, really focusing on, to have the best of both worlds on their one protocol, okay? So I think this is something that's going to set them apart from the competition, and something that I think is definitely getting excited for the future. So definitely some good stuff they're doing. And also, last but not least, they do have a fundraising round coming up, which I think is going to be very, very nice. They're going to get a lot of fundraising, a lot of help, and I think that's definitely going to help propel them towards the future, to which they can even, create better things and really just launch, to make the launch that much better. So definitely something cool here. Again, go ahead and check out subspace.network. It's an awesome protocol. They're doing some great things. Join the Discord if you haven't. Follow their Twitter if you haven't. Again, I will keep updating you with some new videos and go into more detail of why they're different from other storage platforms. And again, why I think they'll be very successful this year and the years coming. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions. Until next time, thanks for watching.